The Nakajima WPT-150 portable typewriter bundle offers a reliable electronic typing experience that feels pleasantly close to a traditional machine while adding modern conveniences. Its generous carriage and print width, combined with multiple pitch options and flexible line spacing, make it well suited for forms, letters, and multi-page documents. The built-in correction memory and included correct film ribbon allow you to fix errors quickly without creating a mess or wasting entire pages. Features like automatic centering, underlining, and carriage return streamline layout tasks so documents look neat even when you are working quickly. Word and character erase functions give you confidence to type continuously, knowing that small mistakes can be removed with precision. The included high-quality print wheel produces crisp, professional text that holds up well for everyday office use or personal projects.